Good morning, Thailand. Today is Arasahat Busha Day, which is a very important Buddha day in the Thai calendar. So we're going to go up to the local white temple to pay some respect. Okay, guys, we're currently going up Huay Yai Road towards the 331, which connects Rayong to Bangkok, or Krung Thep Mahanakorn. And can you believe it or not, it's just started to rain. It's been fine for the last hour. As soon as I get on the scooter, it pisses it down. Murphy's Law, as they say. Anyway, I'll persevere. It's not that far. Yeah, so this is Huay Yai Road. When I first moved down here, there was nothing on this road. It was very, very backward, you know. Anyway, since then they've built quite a lot of housing estates or mubans in Thai. A lot of restaurants. There's 7-Elevens on every corner. We got dentists, we got doctors, there's, you name it. This place has really grown up in the last sort of 20. Oi! Fucking hell, man. 20 years. I nearly got knocked off the bike then by a over-exuberant bloody truck driver. These guys don't give a shit about motorcycles, you know. It didn't indicate, just turned left right in front of my path, nearly knocked me off the bloody bike. I don't know why on earth they can't try to drive with some respect for other drivers. That's the thing that amazed me when I first moved here, you know. I thought, oh, Thailand, Buddhists, really, really nice, kind, gentle people. And they are, don't get me wrong, I love Thai people, but once they get behind the wheel, oh my goodness. And it's funny because I've had this discussion with Thai people and they agree. You know, once they get that engine in front of them, the whole thing goes out of the window, you know. And I can't get my head around it. I don't know if it's something to do with reincarnation, you know, whether they know or they believe that they're going to be reborn, so it doesn't really matter about this life. Whereas different religions, as Christians, life is very precious, you know. Life is certainly cheap out here in Thailand. And that's the sad part about it. I mean, I don't know if you're aware, but Thailand has got the worst kill rate on roads than any other country in the world per capita. You know, it's astounding how many people are lost per day during their Thai New Year. You know, the festivals, there's so many young people killed on motorcycles and automobile crashes. It's quite unbelievable in numbers. I mean, they're losing Thailand, you know, in one day, as many as we lose in the UK in a year. So, you know, you think about that. Pretty dangerous place to drive. So I'd better concentrate now. Anyway, here we go. You see the lady at the pink there with the pink outfit on? She's going to the temple as well. You tend to find that most ladies wear this kind of semi-nun outfit for these days. Mayoral office is just after that as well, so it's a one-stop shop. Yeah, the mayor office is on the left-hand side as well there. So we're going under the Royal Arch, past the fire station on the right. Oh, cheers, buddy. We've got all smoky in front of us here. I don't want to stay behind this too long. Look at the crap coming out of that exhaust, eh? Fucking unbelievable. Woohoo! Great U-turn right across the face of 3 bikes there. We just whizzed round. I mean, that explains what I was saying before. This is the reason why people are killed. You know, there's so many road accidents. People never indicate they do a U-turn whenever they want to do that. Even if it's a 4-lane highway, they'll do a U-turn. But it's all about getting you know, to the place that they want to get as quickly as they possibly can, irrelevant of anybody that might get in the way. It's quite astounding that Buddhists feel like this or think like this. On the right hand side there, we got Huay Yai. It's undergoing renovation. They've done a lot of work on that lately, and when it's finished, it's going to look absolutely remarkable. So I'll try and get some videos of that going forward, you know, once upon completion. I'm sure you don't want to look at a lot of scaffold. Okay. So we're going to hang a left in a minute. Yeah, next left here. Watch this guy turning right. Okay, off we go. Got a Muay Thai gym on the right hand side there. That's quite popular in this area. Mainly Thai people because it's a Thai area. But I don't know if you watch Muay Thai, but it's a great boxing sport to watch. It involves kicking also. In fact, locally they call it 9-point fighting. So you can hit with your ankles, your knees, your fists, your legs, your head. Everything's accepted in pure Muay Thai. Now I think when they get to the tournaments, they remove the headbutt. But and I mean, thank God that they do. You know, it's a very, very violent sport. There's no doubt. I don't think I'd like to have a go at that anyway. And some of these guys are remarkably fast, incredibly fast. So yeah, best kept away. But the training side of it, you know, you can go to a training camp and just basically spar with the coaches. More of a fitness thing, really. So you pay your money. You can stay at the camp and you know, just live with them, say, for a week, and then do your daily training with the tutors. So yeah, a lot of people do that. Well, it's starting to get windy as well as rainy now. I hope the camera's not wet. Yeah, it's really overcast as well. I think the video quality might be a bit down today. You know, you need a sunny day for good videos, without question. Anyway, see what I can do in post. Maybe I can brighten it up a little bit. This is a pretty area. There's some nice houses around this area as well. Say predominantly Thai, but there are some foreigners live here, but predominantly Thai people. See, there's a big housing estate on the left there. Called Bana. Bana in English means rice house, basically. That's when the rice is picked, that's where they store it, in a Bana. There you go. That might come up in a quiz one day. I'm full of useless information like that. Okay, very soon on the left-hand side we can see the magnificent white temple. It's just appearing now. Towering above the trees there. It is actually a very, very beautiful temple. I mean, most temples in Thailand are actually gold, you know. Gold's a very important part of Thai culture. But there are some white temples around, and this is one of them. And I quite like the white ones, you know. I think they look special. Anyway, you'll see that in a moment or two. There's a huge white temple in Chiang Rai. It's probably the most famous temple, I would say, in Thailand. As I say, a massive white temple called Wat Rong Kun. And that gets millions of visitors per year. And it was created by a Thai artist who's actually created a lot of different things around Thailand. The Wat Rong Kun being one of them, probably his best one. He's a billionaire, this guy, filthy rich, and he spends his spare time, you know, designing. He's a very artistic character, designing and building beautiful buildings. And, you know, if you're ever in Thailand, it's worth going to Chiang Rai to see the Wat Rong Kun. I've been a few times. It is magnificent. A lot of strange art to it too, so it's not just a temple. And just out of interest, they've got golden toilets there. All the toilets are of a golden finish. I think it's gold leaf actually they put on to get that finish. I'll just go down this way a little bit so I can show you the entrance. I don't know if I'm meant to drive here, but I can show you the entrance there on the camera. Okay, you see the fountain there, and the people today have come to pay respects to Buddha.